Hi everybody, it's Lisa here. Thanks for stopping by. I've got an unboxing today from the lovely Juni Desireé in Bowen, and this is my birthday present. I was lucky enough to get some spending money for my birthday earlier in the year, and I decided to ask for a custom-made Willowbound journal, and got in contact with Juni and gave her some ideas about what I was after, and it's arrived today, and this is the unboxing. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm really excited to share with you what I got. So I'll be taking this off and adding that to my junk journal. Oh wow. Oh, Juni, I've got one of the glassine bags. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is beautiful. Look how it's wrapped. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, that's one of the, oh my goodness. It's wrapped so beautifully. Oh, I don't really want to rip it, but I'm so excited. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. There's a little note in there that I'll read later. Oh my goodness. And there's a business card in there too. Let me see if I can get that out. Oh my goodness. This is so exciting. Beautiful fibers. Oh my goodness. Now I've got a knot. No, we're all good. Feels pretty good. Oh, that's beautiful seam binding. Feels like I'm opening a Christmas present. Why do I have a little craft knife? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Oh, look at the charms. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't even know where to start. It is so beautiful. Okay, this looks like the front cover and the back cover. Oh my word. This is so beautiful. And the spine. And I've got a tag. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Look at these charms. They're so beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, that, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my God. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, that is amazing. It's got lots of stitching. Oh, birthday wishes. Thank you. Fabric. Oh, this is even more beautiful than I could have imagined. Seriously. Oh, wow. How clever is that? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that tag's gorgeous. Oh, I love the stitching. I love the paper. Oh, that is so nice. I love roses. Pink and roses and floral and botanical. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh, look at that. Birthday joy. A glad birthday. Oh, wow. That is so cool. Oh, look at this. This is like a big pocket. Oh, wow. That is so clever. Roses, roses, pink and roses. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, wow. That, my goodness. It's just going to be me saying wow for 10 minutes. Oh, that's beautiful. That's such lovely trim. Lots of writing space. That's another thing that I asked Uni for, is to have a bit of writing space so it could be functional, and I could add some of my own journaling. That is a really, really beautiful pocket envelope. More roses. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, wow. That is lovely. Oh, beautiful doily. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh, that's a really lovely linen. Look at that. Oh, this is just more than I could have ever hoped for. That is so beautiful. I love the pink flowers. Oh, that's really pretty too. That's beautiful. Oh, that's really, really pretty. Oh, wow. It's just so beautiful. Beautiful writing space. Oh, love the pink. Love the pink. Oh, that's a beautiful pocket. Oh, that is so beautiful. Beautiful tuck spot. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun filling this journal up. Oh, beautiful flowers and writing space. I really like this page because a year and a half ago we were in Scotland, and so I really love thistles, thistle pages, thistle pictures. Sort of reminds me about our trip to the UK, so thank you for including that. That's so special. Oh, beautiful. Oh, for my birthday. Thank you. Butterflies, pink flowers. Oh, it's just joy. It's just joy in a journal. Live each day with your whole heart. Absolutely. That is amazing. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's really, really pretty. Oh, that's so sweet. that's beautiful. That's really, really beautiful. Oh, this is stunning. This is absolutely stunning. I'm so excited. Oh, it's just more than I could have hoped for. If you have ever been to Uni's Willowbound Journals and you've been looking for a journal and you're not sure which one to get, see if you can get a custom order, and you'll just be blown away by the beauty. Look at that beautiful, oh, the lace and the charms and everything. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to start using this, and I can't thank you enough because I can see the love and the thoughtfulness and the care that you've taken with every page. So thanks for stopping by, and thank you for my beautiful custom order. Bye.